Welcome back, honey enthusiasts, to another exciting journey through the world of one of nature's most exquisite creations, honey. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're going to dive deep into the mesmerizing world of different varieties of honey and the captivating flavors they offer. So get ready to embark on this sweet adventure with us. Honey has been cherished for centuries, not just for its sweetness, but also for its remarkable diversity. As we explore various honey varieties, keep in mind that the flavor of honey is a reflection of the nectar collected by the bees, the region it comes from, and even the time of year it's harvested. Imagine walking through a sun-kissed meadow surrounded by vibrant wildflowers. That's the experience that awaits you with wildflower honey. This honey is a true testament to the diversity of nature, as it captures the essence of countless blossoms. Golden and aromatic wildflower honey is like a symphony of flavors. You'll detect hints of floral notes, a touch of herbal complexity, and a delicate sweetness that dances on your palate. It's perfect for drizzling over your morning toast, or as a natural sweetener in your tea. Now, let's take a journey to the rolling hills of New Zealand, where the bees gather nectar from the legendary Manuka flowers. Manuka honey is renowned for its unique properties and health benefits. It's often referred to as nature's medicine. Manuka honey is bold and distinctive. Its flavor profile ranges from earthy and slightly bitter to a lingering caramel sweetness. But what truly sets it apart are its incredible antibacterial properties, making it a sought-after choice for wound care and boosting the immune system. Heading to the Mediterranean, we come across a rich, amber-colored honey known as chestnut honey. Harvested from the sweet chestnut trees that blanket the region, this honey is a culinary gem. Chestnut honey boasts a robust and intense flavor. It's like a warm embrace from the forest, with notes of woody undertones, a hint of smokiness, and a deep caramelized sweetness. This honey pairs splendidly with strong cheeses and rustic bread. Now let's venture into the serene lavender fields of Provence, France. Lavender honey is a true embodiment of tranquility. Its aroma alone can transport you to a field in full bloom. Lavender honey is delicate and fragrant, with a gentle lavender essence that lingers on your senses. Its taste is a harmonious blend of floral and herbal notes, making it an excellent choice for drizzling over desserts or infusing into herbal teas. Our next stop is a bit more exotic, the eucalyptus forests of Australia. Eucalyptus honey captures the essence of these towering trees and their aromatic foliage. Eucalyptus honey has a bold, menthol-like flavor with a touch of earthiness. It's known for its soothing properties, making it a popular choice for relieving cold and flu symptoms. The unique taste also makes it a fantastic ingredient in savory dishes and marinades. From the land down under, let's journey to the slopes of Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Here, the bees collect nectar from the vibrant flowers of the acacia tree, resulting in the exceptional acacia honey. Acacia honey is renowned for its crystal-clear appearance and mild, sweet flavor. It's often described as the champagne of honeys due to its light and refined taste. This honey is perfect for enhancing the natural sweetness of fruits and pairing with soft cheeses. Now, we find ourselves in the misty highlands of the Pacific Northwest, where blackberry bushes thrive. Blackberry honey captures the essence of these luscious berries in every drop. Blackberry honey is bursting with fruity goodness. Its flavor is reminiscent of ripe blackberries with a sweet and slightly tart profile. Drizzle it over pancakes, yogurt, or use it as a glaze for grilled meats to add a delightful twist to your meals. Our last destination takes us to the sun-drenched plains of Texas, where bees collect nectar from the mesquite blossoms. Mesquite honey is a true taste of the American Southwest. Mesquite honey has a bold, robust flavor with hints of smoky caramel. It's a perfect match for barbecue sauces and marinades, adding depth and complexity to your favorite grilled dishes. As we conclude our honey tour, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the diverse and enchanting world of honey. Each variety we've explored today is a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. So the next time you savor a spoonful of honey, remember that it's not just a sweet treat. It's a journey through landscapes, seasons, and the tireless work of bees. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure on Hive Tales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel with your fellow honey enthusiasts. And as always, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep falling in love with the amazing world of honey. Until next time, I'm Sarah, signing off. Be sweet, everyone.